Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert new row in Microsoft Excel. So let's start it. At first, open your Excel document. Firstly, then we show the working time is the this working time for the insert the new row. Firstly, then we show the then you can see is the your needs row in new. Now for any row click, then keyboard press from the control shift plus, then insert menu. Now click for the enter row option. Now click for the OK. That's OK. Then show the apply the new row. Then again your needs position row. Now for click, then keyboard press from the control shift plus, then click for the enter row. Now for OK. That's OK. Then we show the insert new row in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.